I'm going to make the Szechuan duck today. I have about 10 ounces of duck, about 6 ounces of zucchini, and 1 ounce of onion, and 1 ounce of red and orange pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic, and 1 teaspoon of ginger. And for the sauce, I use 1/3 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, and half teaspoon of chili crush. So I put all the sauce in it. And you mix. Okay, I'm gonna set it on the side. And also I'm using 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. And you mix. And I put it on the side. And also the duck, I put some seasoning in it. I put about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of cooking lime, about 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, that looks good. Then I'm going to put some oil in it first. Okay, and put all the duck in it. Okay, that looks good. Then I'm going to remove it. Okay, then I'm going to using the same wok. I put some onion in it first. And the ginger. And the zucchini. And I put a little bit sauce in it. And put some garlic in it. Then I put back the duck in it. Then I put the red pepper in it. Then I put all the sauce in it. And wait until they boiling. Looks good. So I'm going to put the cornstarch with water in it. A little bit more. Okay, this is all done. I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, that's what I make today, the Szechuan duck.